I only check my email like every other month, and I'm glad I checked it this time because I got an email from YouTube. To Caden Drew. Dear Caden, and sometimes Andrew, it is our pleasure and displeasure to inform you that your videos are very entertaining. So funny that here at YouTube Studios watch your content on breaks and free time. Okay, cool. But due to loss of other channel subscribers, we have to take away your C9BJ67, which is code for BJ, to even it out. We confirmed the relocation with PBJ Industries, and don't worry, he's in great hands. P.S. Love the sandwich. So with BJ leaving to Pennsylvania soon, we decided we need someone to replace him, someone to basically act out as BJ so the content won't be dry. So I held auditions for people to come in and interview and see if they could be BJ. Oh, hello.
Hi.
Peter Mays?
Yes, that's me.
Is that your name?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is being filmed so I can watch it back later. No way. Yeah, it is. Oh, hello.
Hey.
Let's see, your name. Agent Ski. That's your name? Your legal name?
I mean, I guess not anymore.
Not anymore?
Yeah.
Oh, why did you what was your previous work?
Well, I did work for Neighborhood Watch until.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Agent Ski. Now I remember you. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, hey.
Nice to meet you. I'm CJ.
Yeah, I have your name right here. CJ Beefman?
That's me.
Is that correct?
Yeah, that's what you
You
told
look oddly familiar.
It's coincidental.
What?
It's coincidence. I don't know.
Coincidence? Okay, so this being filmed so I can watch it back later?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So wait, how'd you get let off?
I fired everyone. I fired BJ and Daddy.
Oh. You got fired for firing?
Yeah, pretty much. I got fired for firing. I'm not proud of it, but.
Okay, that's fine. So, you're no longer Agent Ski? Right. It's okay, dude. We'll just get into the questions. Okay.
Okay.
So... Hi, Drew.
No, hey.
We're doing the, interviews for BJ today.
Mm-hmm. And you didn't invite me?
Nice to meet you.
No.
This is our channel, Caden.
But this is Life with Kid. This is CJ.
Oh, hey, CJ.
Yeah.
Is he trying out for the channel?
Yeah, he's trying out.
But you didn't invite me to interview people.
No, he's trying out for the
Cade and Drew. Like BJ once said,
Breakup scene.
it's Caden and Drew.
Yeah, but
not just Caden.
But
Hashtag BJ is wise.
Yeah, but BJ's leaving, so...
He's never leaves. He's always in our
Is
hearts.
this the wrong time?
No, it's okay, CJ.
I'm just in the back.
Sit, yeah.
Some people, I swear.
So why do you think you have the capability of playing the part of BJ?
Well,
Could you talk a little louder, please?
well, you know, I can die and come back.
Oh, that was one of the questions. Yeah, you can die.
I can die. Yeah.
You sort of have like a stutter or
So
something.
don't worry about it. I
That might
can
be-
speak my feelings.
that could-
Great. Don't make fun of me for my disability.
It's okay.
Don't solve my
I'm just sorry, but that may be a problem.
No, I can work with it.
Okay,
Just trust me.
you're doing a good job, Fred. All right. So, why do you think you have the capability of playing the part of BJ?
Because I'm half of his fame, you know? Pete is peanut butter. PBJ, P's first. You get it? You know where I'm going on this?
Sure. So, what do you why do you think you have the capability of playing the part as BJ?
I worked for him for quite a while, so I feel like I'm up to it, you know?
So yeah, you know how he acts.
Yeah.
All right. I see what you mean.
I mean, just forget about the alphabet, you know? You have AB. No, it's AP. APCD.
ABCD, yeah. I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I get that. Yeah. See where you're coming from. Have you ever died in your life?
Yeah, I have. It was dramatic.
It was dramatic. Did you fall on the floor and
I fell in my pond.
you fell in your pond.
Yeah, I figured out that Ron was swimming.
Ron was swimming.
Yeah, you know who Ron is, right?
Yeah, Ron.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, he was swimming one day.
Mm-hmm.
I jump into the water. I go looking for him. I run out of breath, and I die.
You died.
I just died.
But then you came back.
I came back.
Okay, so that's
I
that's
can
a
tell
good
you how.
feature. That's good feature. Have you ever died?
No, I can't say I have. You know.
You never died.
No, I mean, well, there was that one time, but you know, we don't talk about
you
that.
don't talk about that?
No.
Yeah, that's a big part. Like feature. Yeah, okay. Have you ever died before?
All the time.
All the time.
All the time.
Okay, so and you come back from it. That's good. That's good. It's a good feature if you can come back.
I can tell you how.
Okay, how did you come back?
Ron.
He saved you.
He gave me his bird heart. That's how I'm part bird.
Yeah. Good. What are your views on porch lights?
Well, I can't get the right camera angle on them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I have a hard time getting a perfect camera angle on them.
It's really hard for that. Yeah, man. Okay. I see where you're coming from. What is your opinion on porch lights?
It could be a strong ally, but they're hard to work with. They always fall over.
That's very true. You're acting kind of strange. Are you nervous?
Can I get the job?
Are you
What?
nervous? Are you nervous at all today?
What's nervous? Chill.
So, how do you feel about porch lights? What's your opinion on this?
Well, as I was walking over here, I don't know if I still have it. This got stuck in my foot. What? They're attacking back. The porch lights are they're attacking.
Bullcrap.
And
Bullcrap.
and it's stuck in my foot, you know. So I hate them.
Okay, that's good. Thank you for coming today. I think I'll review what you said. I'll watch back the tape, and we'll see if you can have the job.
I will.
All right.
I will have the job.
Thank you.
You don't even need a handshake.
No.
Just
No. You can. The door. There's the door. There's the door. Yep. Get break. Thanks for coming today. I'll look over what I wrote down, and I'll look over the footage, and I'll see you can do the VJ.
Okay.
Goodbye. You know, I'm sorry, but
What?
It's nothing against you personally, but I just don't think you'd be right for the job. It's okay, CJ, but I don't think you fit.
You know what?
BJ. What? BJ! BJ, no! BJ, no! Wait, no, wait, BJ! No, you can't do that. BJ. No, you can't do this. No, you what? No!
Listen, you can't try out the job. You can't destroy the laptop either. Why would you try out the job? You do it. No. Listen to this. Hey! Take with your freaking channel. And your mother. She's a nice lady, by the way. And. Brent, did you place me? Huh? This was about placement? Hey. This really worked out. Think you could do this to me? CJ, we're not, I mean, we weren't trying to actually replace you, we were just trying to get, like, new people in the videos. It was just kind of a joke to replace you. But, you know. Well, I didn't need that laptop anyway.
In your back pocket.
It looks like we're not gonna find a BJ replacement today. Yeah. Maybe Fred.
Love the sandwich.